How to review followed info centers on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review followed info centers on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click settings, click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and now just click activity log, and then go down until you find logged actions and other activity. And now all you need to do is just scroll down until you find the followed info centers, click on it, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.